Hey guys, Mr.III here, and today we have a house mystery on our hands, and it's involving this toilet. So, like and subscribe, and I'm going to show you what's happening. So this is our guest bathroom. Of course, we don't use the shower that often here. We use the master and all that. But the toilet we do use here and there. And since it's right off the great room, but when we flush the toilet, this is the sound it makes. That may sound normal there, but you're probably not hearing the other sound in the background and then just on my mic over here. But if I just open up the shower, typical tub there, I'm gonna take the mic itself and place it right over the drain. So mic is down there, and now I'm gonna flush the toilet. And if you didn't hear that crackling, that was actually, yes, the toilet water flowing from the same pipe as the tub itself. So they must share, and right now that is venting and releasing any gases coming up. And the main reason behind that is just that the P-trap has lost its water, it evaporated, or some type of siphon effect happened there. So that's why we're getting the gargle effect. And it's just a simple, easy fix that you can do, which I'll just show you here. Let me put that mic back on for a sec. One, make sure that this is not pulled up and you take a shower. And we just turn on the water. Let it roll in there and fill up some and let it do its own flush. That's draining down. All right, that's all good there. Now, let me get to that mic. Well, now it's wet there, but I'm gonna do the same thing. Place it down in the tub. Right there. Flush. See? No gargling effect. So that's a simple little tool or little hack or something. If you're just worried and you hear that sound coming from your bathtub drain that you don't use that often. So check around the house. It could even happen to a sink or even just, especially laundry room sinks if you don't use it that often too. So those things are tied up to your washer machine, and when that empties, it does the same thing. So little fun tip. Hopefully it helps you out if you come across that. Don't worry, you don't have to call the plumber to have that one fixed. Also, just want to add in another reasoning that if it's not the P-trap that's the issue, think about this. Well, it even happened to us here. So we just had a snowfall, about 17 inches of snow, and it's covering up the vent stacks up there. So when that toilet flushes, you're just getting negative pressure, and it's causing that siphon effect that would actually pull from the P-trap and empty it itself there. So if you have ice and stuff that's blocking it, like it froze over, just run some hot water and that heat will, rise up there and hopefully melt the ice. But if that thing is completely buried, you're gonna just have to, struggle a little bit until the sun melts that down. Don't climb on the roof if you're uncomfortable, and of course, don't want you to fall and all that stuff. That's another reasoning that you could have that type of situation too. So it might be just a temporary one, especially in the winter. But if it happens in the summer or something, it's mostly the P-trap that just got drained or evaporated. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Mr.III out.